Alright guys, so today we're going to do the Nerf gun challenge. You see the obstacles right there. Me and Sobhan are going to hit him right now. Okay, so this is my gun. This is Sobhan's gun.
And if we hit it, we're going to go back.
And
Keep going back.
Ready? Let's go. I forgot to read. Okay, cool. I'm going to look right. Nope, your turn.
And if it wins, they get the surprise.
Hey, you forgot to reload it as well. My turn. I'm going to look on the camera. No! Sobhan, you were so good. My turn. There's nothing. Why is it not? No, he knocked it down! Okay, my turn.
There's 1 point for me.
He's not even moving! No, please. Ha, got him. No! Yes, my turn. Why? One of my guns. No, oh my god. So guys, I'm going to pause it and we're going to be back in a second. Guys, we're back and Sobhan won that round. So we're going to do another round. Oh, Sobhan's not here. So, yeah, ready? Okay, so my turn first. Okay. No, your turn. No! Okay, my turn. It's gonna get him. My turn.
Ah. Wait, I'm gonna be back.
Got it.
You didn't. You just see.
Last turn. No. No, you can't.
It's my turn because you went alone.
I didn't. You can't win. I'm gonna win this round.
I'm first. I know what to do. It's easy. Now double shots.
Okay, double shots. Ready? Please. Not gonna work. Triple shots. I'm gonna shoot these the same time. Let's go triple shot. Ready? Set. Go. And last one. Look at me get this guy out. This is not working. Move.
Oh, that really hurts.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean it. You can hit me on the head as well. I'm gonna hit me on myself on the head. I was kidding. No!
Hey, let's do double shot together.
Okay, double shot. Ready? When I say so. Stop. Gonna go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes! I'm the winner.
No, I'm the one. I shot it.
I shot first.
Because I won.
And then I shot another time.
So guys, we're gonna clean up and we're gonna be back in a second. So guys, we're back.
Hi
again.
guys, we back. We're gonna go literally back because we won the race. Then we have to go back. You can see us now. You can't. Now let's come back. Come back.
Wait, I'm gonna go this side.
Okay, in 3, you go first.
I'm gonna go for that guy. Okay, ready? Set.
My turn.
No, wait. I didn't have my turn. 1 point from you.
Go. I have turn.
Double shot. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I won! No! I won the race! I'm the winner! But we got tie. We got a tie. That means we're gonna do 3-star fighting so now. But we have to clean this mess for now. So hi guys, we are back. We have like 3 more stuff.
We have barrels. I
Yeah.
really can't see, but look. The barrel. No, we have these 2 right here.
Actually 3
And we have this barrel. I bet you can't see, so we're gonna put it right here.
in the middle.
Okay. So it's gonna be much harder. It's gonna be much longer.
Yeah.
So
Now I'm gonna go at the back at door, right over here. Now I'll go first today.
this is yours.
Can you give me one?
It's not yours. Who cares? Just take some extra. Okay, extra. Extra. Read all about it. McCoy's gonna win. Ready?
Yeah, you go first.
Oh. Okay, ready? I'm gonna go for the Ken doll. Go right there.
Okay.
Oh yes! Come. No.
I didn't do it.
I took down one sign, guys.
I
He took
took
down the
down
other. I took down nothing. He took down the guy. No. Extra. He took down nothing. Now the end. The end, the last one. So guys, there's one barrel standing right there. No! We're tied.
I won the race. I'm so lucky.
No, we have a tie.
No, you won 3. I won 4.
No, I hit them. 1, then 2, 3.
You didn't. You just hit 2, I think so.
Yeah. And you hit 2.
3. No.
No, we hit that blue one.
If I hit 2, that means the black one is gonna be still in.
No. So guys, we'll be back in a second. Okay, guys.
So guys, we are back. We're having a challenge to ourselves.
Whoever loses does what?
I don't.
Smell feet. That's a challenge. I don't know what.
No, actually, not that. I don't know. He just put something in his mind. I don't know.
Yeah, with
Whoever wins, they get a prize.
Yeah, whoever loses, I don't know what they do. They
get a prize.
Whoever loses gets a prize.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have the challenge.
Oh, we were gonna do.
So guys, you're not gonna see me for now. You're just gonna see Mohi.
What are we doing?
So guys, we're gonna challenge ourselves, but you're not gonna see me for now. Yep, we're gonna fight each other, and who give up, they get there. They got to get it. Isn't it funny?
They have to see no feet.
No, that's
Yes.
even bad. Who wins, who lose, They get
No, that's
we lose. They get an ugliest toy in the world.
no. We don't win. They smell feet. Smell feet. They smell feet. Yeah. Whoever loses smell feet.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. This doesn't work. Retreat. Oh, you gave me.
You can't stand up. You just have to sit down. Oh, mommy.
Oh, mommy. Retreat. Get out of it. No! I haven't even. Oh, I did it yet. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Yo, you can't hide. Holy shit.
You can't move at your spot, okay? Just sit on your spot, okay?
Okay.
Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy, don't help me. Got to me. That's the bullets, please.
Leave my bullets.
Oh, mommy.
This one. Pause it.
So, guys,
Pause
we're
it. We're gonna change spots. Now he's gonna sit there, and I'm gonna sit this side. I'm not gonna see each other. Nope.
It's okay, we can see each other. Now, what's my name again?
Mohit.
Mohit.
How do you forget my name?
Yeah. In 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh, mommy.
What?
That didn't even hurt. Mohit. Oh. Mohit, he has some bullets.
Why is?
Because that stuff is old.
Old?
Yeah. Where did my bullets go? Okay.
Why?
You're not putting it like instant. Oh, fuck. Ha. Wait, I'm gonna be back.
Oh, we're gonna be back in a second.
Yeah, so I get the prize. I don't know what's the prize. My dad's gonna go to the shopping and buy something for me. So bye, Mahood. Oh, you never give up. You said I never give up. I should hit his butt.
No.
Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy.
No, it's not wet. Guys, I give up. I don't care. Don't use the bullet on me. This gun sucks. He gave me
Bye
a
bye.
Bro, swap.
Please subscribe. Please.
Subscribe to me. There's a spike in my butt.
It's gonna hurt.
Ah!
So guys, bye. So guys, bye. I'll see you next day.